All right, 2016 Silverado, 2017 Silverado, same shit. Yeah. Radio touchscreen. The touchscreen does not work. We are going to replace it today. This is a very common problem on these. I will have a link up here in the description if you want to order just the touchscreen replacement on Amazon. I will show you how you break it all apart and replace just that screen part of this radio. So let's get in there. All right, first things first, you're gonna want to have what's called a trim removal stick. It's just this little plastic stick to make sure you don't scratch things up. We're gonna start down here in this bottom corner. This entire bezel of this silvery gray color, this just clicks in. So you just need to get up under a corner somewhere and get it to pop loose, just like that. And then we will work our way around and get this whole panel removed. All right, once you have the bezel completely released on every tab, you'll see there's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tabs total. Make sure you get them all released. You'll squeeze these little plugs here and release them. That is a little push tab. You're just pushing with your thumb to release those plugs. What are they even plugging into? I don't even know what those do. That's silly. Okay, now we need 7mm. We're gonna pull 1, 2, 3, 4. And that should allow this whole unit to come forward. So let's get that shot out of there, and then we'll see what it looks like on the back side. Once you get those 4 screws out, you'll look on the back side here. We got 2 plugs. They both have squeeze tabs on the bottom, and then the AC control plug is down there as well. I don't think I can get you in a place. Maybe, let me try. Just like that. Squeeze, 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 and we are free. Now, we gotta pull this radio assembly off of the back, which will be these little Torx screws here, these gold ones. So we'll get this removed, and then we'll see what we can find underneath there, because we're going after just the screen, not the entire radio assembly, because these puppies are expensive if you do the entire assembly. All right, so to get the actual screen separated, we're gonna start with these edge screws. These are T15 Torxes. One there, one there, one there, one there, one there, one there. And we'll see if we can lift it off like that. I don't know if we need to take them all off. Oh, I'm sorry, one more down here. So 7 total. We may need to take out all of the gold screws though, but they're all T15 Torxes. So I'm gonna start pulling these out and we will pick up. All right, it does indeed require every screw to come out, but once you get all the screws come out, you can carefully lift it upwards. Voila. And now, once we get here, we're gonna need to separate this circuit board from this assembly here. So what we'll do is we're gonna come down here. You'll see there's these little black levers on the ribbons. You just pull up on those very, very carefully. And then your ribbon should be able to lift out and disengage. There we go, just like that. So you just get your finger under there. Just gently lift up on the tab that holds it in. Oh my God, I'm knocking my screws everywhere. Lift the ribbon up and out. So you'll do that on all 3 of these and then carefully set your circuit board to the side. All right, here's our replacement Amazon unit. I just took it out of the package and it's actually more than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was just the screen. If you buy this unit, now we're at the point where we're just gonna move this ribbon over and then put everything back together. If you need to get the screen out, then you bend these little tabs here. That's what's holding the case together. And then you can drop the screen out the bottom side. But luckily, this thing actually, for $95, came as an entire unit. So come on. The ribbons are reinstalled onto the board. We're gonna go ahead and put our case back on, tighten down our Torxes. Just make sure you don't bend over any of these pins because they're gonna stick through the holes right here in the case. If you bend those, then you're gonna have to take it all apart again and repair them. You don't want to fight that fight, but yeah, I'm gonna get this put back in and we'll put it in the truck and see if it works. All right, here we are. We are reinstalled. Screen fires up perfect. Looks great. And now gives full functionality. He's got GPS.
Mexican limon.
No matter. Let me turn that off. Sorry. But yeah, all the buttons work, so you can literally tap anything on the screen and it functions the way it is intended. Come on. If the video helped you out, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you want to see more.